Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Andy, guys, and this is my daughter Maya. What today's video is going to be about, guys, is I'm going to show you guys how I get some really cheap items at Walmart, Target, and all these other places, and then I resell them online. This will be great for like a teenager right now in the summer trying to make some extra cash, or for an adult just trying to, you know, have an extra source of income besides your regular job. So I'm just going to show you real quick, guys, one of the things that I got for cheap that I've been reselling in the last few days. So guys, this Game Day Bluetooth speaker right here, guys, I got 3 of these for $25 each. Yes, $25 each. The lowest I'm taking, guys, is $50, so I'm making my money back plus an extra $25. And the highest I've sold them for is around $70. But yeah, guys, hey, you know, I'm gonna quit talking. I'm just gonna go to Walmart, try to get these deals, okay? I'm gonna put Maya in her car seat and we're about to head out. Told y'all though, hey, I paid 20 or 20. Oh, let me get the receipt, man. I don't know why I'm struggling here. Hey, look, I paid, they were $19 with tax. I paid like 21 something or $20 and something cents, but the total was $41.71. Hey, okay, so look, I paid a total of $41.71 with tax and everything for these 2 smartphones, okay? And that's to show y'all. Look, hey, there are these AT&T prepaid ZTE Blade Spark smartphones. They're brand new in the box, as you can see. Well, brand new in the box. These junks retail for $120, and I got them for 20 bucks each. And just to show you guys, I got 2. I got the other one right here. Hey, 2 of them. 2 of them, y'all. 2 of them. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna research them. I know they go for at least anywhere from $65 to $80 on eBay. Post them on eBay and go from there, guys. So, hey, time to go home. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm back at home. I just got home from Walmart. So now, guys, what I'm gonna show you is I'm gonna do a screen recording real quick on my phone of how much they go for on eBay, okay? All I have to do, guys, is literally just open up my eBay app. Then I go to the search bar, guys, where the little camera is, and all I have to do is just scan the barcode, okay? And then it's gonna show me all the different options, guys. It's gonna show me all the different listings for this item, okay, guys? So, you know, we have one that's going for $89.99, $72, $78, $69.99. Then I'm gonna go to filter, and I'm gonna go to sold and completed items. Then I'm gonna hit done, and it's gonna show me all the ones that have been selling in the last few days. So this first one sold for $55.99, guys, and it's a pre-owned 16 gigabyte AT&T phone. It's the same phone. This other one sold for $28. The pre-owned one, guys, they're selling for a little bit less. So check out this 4th listing, guys. It sold on the 1st of June, a couple days ago. It's the brand new one. It went for $72, just brand new in the same condition that I got it. If you keep scrolling, you see another pre-owned, and then we see another brand new one that went for $78. If I at least sell this phone for $55, I'm making my $20 back plus an extra $35. So right now, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys exactly the Instagram account that I follow where I see all these amazing deals, and now I'm gonna show you the actual website that I go to, okay? So this Instagram account that you guys are seeing right now, guys, this is the Instagram account that I go to get all these deals. So right now, guys, I'm showing you guys a screen recording of what the actual Instagram account looks like. So this is actually the listing, guys, where I saw, you know, the phones that were on sale, and they were actually $19, but with tax it went up to 20 something, $20, a little bit under 21. So right there, guys, it gives you all the instructions on what to do. It gives you the website. It gives you all the steps that you need to follow. And she specifies, guys, do not tell any of the employees about her website, okay? So what I'm showing you next, guys, is the website that we actually go to actually search the inventory and to know which Walmarts we go to, okay? So the first step is, guys, you go to Google, you type in brickseek.com, and then you go to the first one that pops up, I guess. It's Walmart Inventory Checker. But so you go to the Walmart Inventory Checker, and then you're gonna type in where it says SKU, okay guys, the SKU, and you're gonna bring up the lady's official Instagram page and get the SKU off of hers, okay? So that's what I'm doing now in the video. So that's what I'm doing now in the screen recording, guys. You're gonna type in the SKU. Then after you type in the whole SKU, you're gonna wanna type in your zip code, okay? In that case, my zip code is 37160. And then from there, guys, you're just gonna go to inventory check, okay? And then after you click the inventory check, the product that you're looking for should pop up. And as you can see here, guys, the only location that had it available in my surrounding areas was the Walmart in South Rutherford Boulevard in Murfreesboro. So guys, yeah, they actually had two, guys, and right there where it says out of stock, it's actually gonna say the quantity. If they have any available, that's gonna be green, it's gonna say quantity, and then it's gonna tell you exactly how many they have. In my case, it said they had two. So the next thing really, guys, to do is just go to that Walmart, or that Lowe's or that Target, whatever it is, and actually look for that item, or just ask one of the associate guys and just tell them, hey, I'm looking for a certain item and I'd like to see if it's still in stock. And then they're gonna ask you what item are you looking for, and then you just tell them the name. That's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, that speaker I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, I did the exact same thing for it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. If this video brought you any kind of value, guys, all I ask, guys, is that you share it with somebody. Give somebody else value by sharing this video with them and letting them know that there's these deals out there, guys, and that there's these websites and there's these accounts on Instagram that will actually help you save some money, guys, or make some money. Yeah, you could look at it that way. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Share it with somebody, and do all those things that the big YouTubers tell you to do. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment, blah, blah, blah. Okay, guys? We're gonna be making a lot of changes to the channel here in the next few days, in the next few weeks, actually, guys. Making big changes, guys, big positive changes. We got a lot of great ideas, a lot of great news to give you guys. And alright, one last thing, guys. If you guys want me to keep making videos like these, let me know. Drop a comment down below and I will, guys. There's a whole other side, guys, of how I make money online, guys. And I buy a lot of crazy stuff for really cheap, guys. And if you guys want to see a video of me doing that, guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know, guys, because if this is something you guys are interested in or like, I will be doing more videos like this.